Okay, I'm doing my student case study for Module 8, Unit 2, Activity 2. Case study content: student profile, school and academic history, behavioral strengths and challenges, plan of actions, interventions, parent communication, and follow-up. Student profile: Sam L., 4th grade student, Denver, Colorado. Dad is currently not in the picture. He gets angry when you ask about his dad. Mom is active but seems worn out, doesn't respond to most emails. Sam is autistic and gets angry very easily. All his work has to be perfect and he gets very upset when he can't figure out how to solve a problem. He is part of a 21 student 4th grade class and he struggles socially, but the other students are very kind to him. Entered Lincoln Elementary in 4th grade of August of 2016. Previously, he attended a school that specialized in autism in Laramie, Wyoming. He's been absent for 3 days, 2 from suspensions. One day his mom decided to give the school a break after he had a very difficult day. He's tardy about most days. We get free lunch and he goes in the lunchroom and it's really hard to get him out of the lunchroom. He refuses to take any standardized tests, so it's hard to gauge of his academic abilities. Math. We believe he's on grade level in math. When he came back from winter break, he refused to do any math work in his math journal. We're trying to figure out how to move him to an online program that is more reward driven. Literacy. He reads very well and he's very knowledgeable. He has very good comprehension of what he reads. He refuses to write. We tried to get him to dictate his words and he refuses to do that as well. Per his IEP last year, he started doing work in the middle of the year and he completely shut down. We have had a similar experience this year. We're really trying hard to figure out what was the difference between the first half and the second half of the year. Behavioral strengths and challenges. He often displays sudden emotional outbursts in which he will scream, kick lockers, and repeatedly yell until you let him get his way, or you distract him and get him focused on another topic. He will get focused on an idea and you cannot get him off the idea. Example: he had a breakdown because he didn't do the skill packet that he refused to do every day, but the rest of the class moved on without him. He repeated for 30 times that the teacher is not allowed to move on until all the students are finished. Academically, he is completely shut down and he refuses to do any traditional classwork. Plan of action. We started videotaping his outbursts. Our speech therapist has been going over the videos of him and watching other videos of the children having tantrums to see how he responds. He's currently working with a guidance counselor on ways to figure out how to get his brain off a certain topic or an idea. We're trying to find learning apps on his iPad that are reward driven that can replace the classroom work while also giving us some formative assessments. Our first intervention was to send him to the office every time he had a meltdown, in the hopes that he would break his behavior. Our office secretaries got worn out, and we had to change our strategy to trying to diffuse or distract him during meltdowns. Follow-up. We have had less meltdowns, but we have lost a lot of control over disciplining Sam. We are trying to set up a parent conference to modify his learning structure, which will help also, we believe, with his behavior and his learning.